Hi students, it's Mrs. Twinter, and I'd like to welcome you to Social Studies this year. This year in 5th grade, you will be learning lots of great things, and I just want to show you how our Schoology course is set up. Mrs. Twinter's created folders for you to help organize what we're going to be covering. It's divided into 8 units. You can see those listed here. Mrs. Twinter's still in a work in progress. So I have some of the units completed already, but some I'm still working on. I'm going to start here in the What You Need to Know folder. Mrs. Twinter has set up my information listed there in case you have questions. If you're at home working, you want to send me an email to ask questions, you can do that. You can also see that this tour is going to be listed right here for you to watch again if you need to. Also, I've put in here some Chromebook tools and hacks. If you are working and something's not working right, here are some quick resources for you to check to make sure that it's working. Also, I've put another technology tips and troubleshooting, talking about online etiquette, things that you might need help with. It's all here in that folder. That folder will be nested there all year long, so even though we're working on different units, you will be able to check there. Each week I will introduce the lesson for the day, and then you will work at your own pace. You'll open the folder and work your way through each folder. Each week it'll tell you where to start and then how to go through the folder. You'll also notice over here on the right if there are any upcoming due assignments. They will be listed over here on the right. Hope you guys have a great year in social studies, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.